Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue that can affect your Lexus RX350, a faulty idle air control valve, or IACV. If your RX350 is experiencing rough idling, stalling, or inconsistent RPMs, a failing IACV might be the culprit. Replacing it can restore smooth engine operation. It's a job you can do yourself with a few basic tools. Let's get started and walk through the steps together. First, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts or electrical shocks. You will typically need a 10mm wrench for the battery terminal. Next, you need to locate the IACV. On many Lexus RX350 models, particularly those with electronic throttle bodies, the idle control is managed by the throttle body itself. However, if your model has a separate IACV, it will usually be mounted directly onto the throttle body or the intake manifold, often with a few bolts. It looks like a small motor with an electrical connector. To access it, you will likely need to remove the engine cover and possibly the air intake tube. Use a screwdriver or pliers to loosen the clamps on the air intake tube. Carefully detach the tube from the airbox and the throttle body. Set it aside. Now, with the IACV visible, you'll see an electrical connector. Gently press the tab and pull to disconnect it. Be careful not to damage the wires or the connector itself. Some IACVs also have small coolant lines attached to them. If yours does, be prepared for a small amount of coolant to spill. Have a rag ready. Use pliers to slide the hose clamps back, then carefully twist and pull the hoses off. Remember which hose goes where. Now, you'll see the mounting bolts that secure the IACV to the engine. These are usually 10mm or 12mm bolts. Use a socket wrench to loosen and remove them. Keep track of all bolts. Once the bolts are out, carefully wiggle and pull the old IACV free. It might be a little stuck due to the old gasket. Before installing the new IACV, it's a good idea to clean the mounting surface on the engine. Use a clean rag and some brake cleaner to remove any old gasket material or grime. This ensures a good seal for the new part. Always use a new gasket with your new IACV. Place the new gasket onto the new IACV or onto the engine mounting surface. Carefully position the new IACV onto the engine, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your socket wrench to tighten them evenly. Do not over-tighten. If your IACV had coolant lines, reattach them and slide the clamps back into place. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, it's time to reassemble the air intake. Reattach the air intake tube to the throttle body and the airbox. Tighten the clamps securely. Replace any engine covers you removed. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Tighten it firmly. You may need to perform an idle relearn procedure after replacing the IACV. Check your car's service manual for specific instructions, but often, simply starting the car and letting it idle for 10 to 15 minutes without touching the accelerator will allow the computer to relearn. Take your car for a short test drive to ensure everything is working correctly. Listen for smooth idling and proper acceleration. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the idle air control valve on your Lexus RX350. We hope this guide was clear and helpful for your repair. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful DIY automotive repair guides. We appreciate your support.